Coffee Labels is a leading supplier of sustainable and digital packaging solutions. The HP Indigo V12 is a game changer. We have the speed, we have the quality, we have the versatility, and we have the efficiency that actually is closing the gap also to conventional printing, which was the main aim, the main target of the line.
With HP, we really share a strong set of common values, such as transparency, innovation, sustainability. We have always been together by leading our industry with a pioneer approach. And we have the great responsibility to lead a team of women and men who are willing to overcome the boundaries of our technology today and to really drive the change.
Actually, a lot of what you can see on the HP Indigo V12 today is a result of a lot of discussions that we have had with HP Indigo during the past years.
On the V12, we are able to print 12 colors. Even on 6 colors, we are at the same speed of 120 meters, which gives us the very good opportunity to print more jobs on the digital department with the higher speed. The setup time in Indigo is way lower than in Flexo, so of course we can reduce waste time.
For me personally, waking up every day for the last 20 years, going to work and seeing all the progress every day helps a lot. And I'm pretty sure that will also make me come here for the next 20 years and hope you will be around as well.